As you know, Council approved on March 11th the filing to take place on the June 18th primary election ballot a proposed increase of the Edmond lodging tax from 4% to 6%. These tax funds Visit Edmond uses to promote the city as a destination to attract, retain, and sustain conference events and visitors. The current rate of 4% has not increased since it began in 1994. In an effort to help educate residents on the proposal, Visit Edmond has put together an educational page on its website. That site, visitedmondok.com, provides background information on the proposal. The lodging tax is only charged for overnight stays in Edmond. Citizens will not pay this tax unless they spend the night in a hotel, bed and breakfast, or vacation home. Tourism, we know, is an important component in generating additional sales tax and revenue and growth in Edmond. When individuals and groups spend nights in Edmond, they also shop, dine, and play, which increases city sales tax revenue. An increase from 4% to 6% is estimated to generate an additional $500,000 annually for tourism development opportunities. Again, we encourage residents who want to learn more about this ballot proposition. You can go to visitedmondok.com to learn more about the proposal. Second is about Edmond Electric. A crew of 7 linemen from Edmond Electric just returned from Window Rock, Arizona, after spending a week working as part of the Light Up Navajo 5 initiative, a mutual aid program to extend electricity to homes in the Navajo Nation without the infrastructure to get that service. This is the second year in a row that a team from Edmond Electric participated in the project. Edmond Electric's team worked along line personnel from other utilities from across the nation, as well as Navajo Tribal Utility Authority electric crews to assist in line construction within the Navajo Nation. This initiative was created in 2019 through a unique partnership between the American Public Power Association and NTUA. The Edmond Electric crew included Clint Seaman, Travis Matthews, Connor Church, Chance Tipkin, Braxton Galbraith, CJ Smitsky, and Austin Lushbaugh. Of course, helping out is nothing new for Edmond Electric. Personnel and equipment from the city has traveled throughout Oklahoma as far as ways Florida to help recovery efforts from weather impacted impacts. So special thanks to them. I've driven across Navajo Nation several times, and it's great to see that work happen. Stephenson Park. Last week we held a ribbon ceremony celebrating the completion of the $7 million renovation of Stephenson Park. A nice crowd gathered at the new pavilion to help officially reopen the oldest park in Edmond. This project is a big hit already with our residents, a bigger, more modern playground, lots of interactive features, improvements to the regional detention of stormwater runoff, which will assist in future development of the area, and additional on-street parking, as well as addition of trees, landscaping, more lighting, and a water line upgrade, all were part of the reimagining of the space. In addition, Parks Canal look forward to opening of the new splash pad, an upgraded playground area at Ted Anderson Park. This project includes construction of a splash pad, restroom, and planting of additional trees. Additionally, the contract include repairing and replacing existing sidewalks throughout the park to improve safety and accessibility of the space. That celebration is scheduled for May 24th. And while we're talking about celebration, mark your calendars for the return of Open House on May 11th. This popular event will be from 9 to 11:30 in the Mitch Park Amphitheater area behind the Multi-Activity Center. This year's event will include several city vehicles for kids to interact with, including police vehicles, a fire truck, a trash truck, and a bucket truck. They'll all be parked, not moving. We don't want that interaction. Open House will also feature displays and booths from many City of Edmond departments, providing information about city programs, services, and job opportunities. And finally, one more popular program in the city, the Outdoor Farmers Market at Festivals Marketplace, enjoyed a great opening last weekend with more than 64 vendors. The market saw an estimated 5,000 visitors and an increase of sales of more than 25% over last year. Mayor Davis, along with Councilmembers Barry Moore, Kristen Mugg, and Stacy Peterson were on hand for the opening and got to witness the steady flow of visitors who were entertained by live music at the event. There was face painting and 650 loaded shopping bags were passed out to customers. The market is opened every weekend from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Except May 4th to make room for the Arts Festival, and is growing every year. This coming weekend Edmond Animal Services will be at the market for an adoption event. Please come out and support these local vendors and follow the farmers market on Facebook and Instagram for more information and updates. If I can do one last thing, for my mom, this is a little personal privilege. She's 88, and last month, Wednesday night, she went into ICU with pneumonia and AFib. So just to Mom, hope you feel better. We love you.